English learning video. Today we're going to learn how to tell time in English. This is very important in our life. We wake up at a time. We eat at a time. We go to school at a time. So let's learn how to say the time in English step by step. This is a clock. A clock has two hands. The short hand is the hour hand. It shows us the hour. The long hand is the minute hand. It shows us the minutes. Sometimes a clock also has a very thin hand. This is the second hand. But today we will focus on hours and minutes. The numbers on the clock are the hours. We say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. After 12, the clock starts again at 1. But in one full day, we have 24 hours, not just 12. So sometimes we say AM for the morning and PM for the afternoon and evening. When the long hand points to 12, we say o'clock. For example, 3 o'clock, 10 o'clock. When the minutes are from 1 to 30, means for the right half of the clock, we use the word past. That means after. For example, 5 past 2, 30 past 2. Usually we say half past 2. When the minutes are from 31 to 59, we use the word to, which means for the left half of the clock, we use the word to. That means before the next hour. For example, 20 to 3, 15 to 3, or a quarter to 3, 5 to 3. Now let's learn two special words, quarter and half. 15 minutes is a quarter. So we say a quarter past or a quarter to. For example, a quarter past 6, a quarter to 7. 30 minutes is half. So we say half past. For example, half past 7. Sometimes we use digital clocks. In digital time, we say the number directly. For example, 7:10, 7:25, 7:30. This is very common in our daily life. Both ways are correct. To make the time clear, we also use words like morning, afternoon, evening, and night. For example, 7 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 7 o'clock in the evening, 11 o'clock at night. Let's look at some daily examples. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I study at 3:30. Now it's time to practice together. Look at this clock. What time is it? Yes, it's 4:30. The next one. What time is it? Yes, it's 9:15. Here's another one. What time is it? Yes, it's 11:45. 11:45. What time is it? Yes, it's 7:05. Great job.